Hi, Cardinals. I just want to remind you how to use your BPL Tech card because you're going to get to have access to that for the summer, and I want you to be able to use it to prevent that summer slide. So the first thing you're going to do if you're at home is to Google BPL Student Portal. This is just going to take you to the Bentonville Public Library website. You want to, if you forget that, if you go, oh, what was that? Student what? You can just go to the Bentonville Public Library website and look for the student portal. But if you Google this, it's going to take you right here. Now remember, there's lots of great tools here. There's a lot of different databases that will teach you how to speak different languages, that will help you learn about all kinds of things. So you can go right here if you want to access that. Lots of really fun nonfiction reading here. And then, of course, like I said, Rosetta Stone and Mango will both help you learn different languages if you'd like to spend some time doing that this summer. But what I really want you to work on and look at today is the downloadables. So click on the downloadables. After you do that, you are going to go to Library to Go. You're going to have to sign in with your tech card. So for yours, it's going to say sign in. Sign in with, you're going to look for Bentonville Public Library, you're going to do your card number, and then remember your PIN is just 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's a device that you have at home, I would click this so that you don't have to remember that card number. You don't have to have that card every time. And click sign in. And you have access to all kinds of goodies. Kids, here we go. Tons and tons of things. This one looks really funny, by the way. Or, of course, you can do teams. And again, a great variety of things. These are the ebooks. The audiobooks are going to look like this. There we go, some Michael Bay there. You're going to hit borrow when you're ready to read, and you're all set.